So hey guys, welcome back to this video again. In today's video, we are going to learn this amazing text animation. This text animation can be created very easily by the Framer Motion library. So don't waste your time, let's jump into the VS Code. So in this VS Code, you can see that I have a one component called text blur effect. In this component, I have a one div. In the div, I render a one text called code with clarity, and it is a like looking like this is the text and this is the div. Okay, so first of all I am going to apply some tailwind classes over here. Like I am going to black the background color and adjust the screen to height of the div to the screen. And for this, now the by default the text color is I am going to write this text into the code with clarity text inside with the span element. Clarity, yeah, typing mistake, clarity, now it's fine. Oh, and some applying CSS classes, tailwind classes on this span. Text should be white because background is a black, text is a black, so text would not be appear properly. So that's the reason I'm going to text convert into text white. And font should be bold and the font family sans, and text should be some more larger like 4XL or a 3XL as you want. And now you can see that we have a text code with clarity, which is our YouTube channel, and I am going to place into a center by applying the flex property, justify center and item center. Now we can see that our text is in the centered position. Now but we want to do that, we want to achieve this type of text animation. So in order to do that, uh, we need to import the Framer Motion library into our current file. So first of all, if you know how we can import it, which I teach you in the previous videos, like import motion from the motion react library. Okay, now we have a motion. So what we do after importing it, we should convert the span element into a motion component so that we can apply our desired animation. Okay, so first of all, now I converted successfully into a motion component. After this, we have an initial prop. In the initial prop, what it does that it tells the browser or a web page, when initially renders to the web page, how it appears, what should its position, what should be state of the initially rendered of this span element. So when it initially rendered, we want it that its opacity should be 0. It means uh, it uh, it should be disappeared. First of all, when it render, nobody can see it. Okay, after this I am going to apply some property of filter. This text also should be 10 pixel blurred. And okay, now from now we only want these two properties, and after that we have another property called animate. In animate we want that what animate does, it tells the browser now when the span will animate, what property we want that. We want it that the text should be appeared properly so that everyone can see that. And I want to remove the filter which I applied earlier, not blue, just filter of 0 pixel. Now it will remove the filter. Now let's see how it looks like. Oh yeah, it is too fast, it appears properly, but this is not that what we want. We want this type of animation, so each and every character slowly appears and blurred effect. Okay, but what is going on here? Here the entire text is blurred and appear at once, but we want an each and every character one by one. I hope how we can do that. Yeah, first of all we need to write the transition property, so that transition does, it apply the apply the timing to the animator property so that it appears slowly. Duration, here is a duration property 1. Okay, Now let's see how it looks. Yeah, it looks very amazing, but this is this is that we want that. We want that each and every character appears one by one. So in order to achieve this, first of all, we need to create a variable called text, and inside this text we are going to assign a string. You can write your own string. Note this. Okay, this is my channel name, that is why I am promoting it. Code with clarity. Okay, after this, so I am going to cut this, and instead of this entire word I am going to render the character one by one. So split, I hope you know what is a split method. The split method, what it does that, okay, let me show you in the console what is going on. Text dot split. Okay, so let me clear this code. Return the this element. Okay, instead of the entire word I am going to render the character. Okay, first of all I need to access the character here, and in the second parameter we have a character one. Each and every character in the second parameter we can access the index of the character. So let me show you what is going on here, and what is in the console. So in the console you can see that we have each and every character. This is the array. Okay, this is the array. We even we have an empty space on the ninth index. So that is the reason that's what the split method do. The split method convert the string into an array, or we can here access the each and every character by this particular first parameter, and on the second parameter we can access the index. Okay, so did you notice that something here? Because code with clarity, there is an there is not have any space. Okay, in order to achieve this, we can apply here the condition property, which is our ternary operator. If we encounter the empty space, then it should render the space here, otherwise the character itself. Okay, now yeah, it added the space between the code with clarity. Okay, so after converting the entire text into a character array, or rendering it into a web page, the text animation is not desiredly that we want that. So in order to achieve this, we can write the another property, which is a delay property. But it does that, it delay the property, it delays the character up to a specific time. So what it does that, it will delay the next each and every character of 0.1 second, and I am going to multiply it by index. Now you will see that, yeah, we achieved it. Did you see that how it's easy, how this is was very easy to create this type of animation by using the framer motion library. Okay, I am going to show you the another text animation which I recently created. That let's see it very clearly. Yeah, did you see that? Very amazingly, very precisely, the text is appearing from the top to bottom to its original position, and this is your homework. So hey, this is your homework. Without creating by your own code, you will not learn anything. Okay, if you want to learn framer motion very, or not framer motion, basically animation by your own, you should be able to create this type of animation. Okay, let me clear what is going on here. So you can see that the each and every character rendering, which we have learned now earlier, how we can render each and every character one by one. This text, the each and every character is rendering to the web page from its y-axis to the its original position, and it has a some blur effect. Okay, you can create this effect very easily. I trust you. Okay, so that is what we have learned in this video. So I hope you guys you will learn it, learn in this video, very amazing thing. Thank you guys.